Today we're going to program a 2025 Model Chin Plus DMI. Then we'll need a KEYDY-X4, AZB-KD remotes. Step 1. Let's generate the program first. This program hasn't been uploaded to the official zone yet, so we need to find this program in the test zone. Later it will be uploaded to the official zone. Place the KD remotes on the KD-X4's induction area. Click Generate. Click Wireless Generation. Now just wait patiently. Generation successful. Now we'll go in again to programming. Click IMO Programming. We also need to access the test zone. Later it will be uploaded to the official zone. Select Select by type. After 2025. Start execution. Smart key pairing. No pin required. The original vehicle comes with 2 keys. Then let's program the first one. The induction area is inside the armrest box. There's a key icon here. Take a look at this key icon. Then let's program the first key. Shall we program the next key? We need to program 2 keys. Click Yes. Take out this key. Insert the KD Smart to be programmed. Program the next key. Click OK. We have already programmed 2 keys. We won't program the next one. We'll only program 2 keys. Click No. Test out the keys' functions. Remote normal. Then try starting the car. Take this original key outside the car. Start normal. All done.